I'm Chef Seetharam Prasad, Corporate Chef, GRT Hotels and Resorts, and General Secretary, South India Chef Association, SICA. There are two skills which is very much required for any profession, that too particularly to our culinary profession. One is knowledge and the other one is skill. So when it comes to knowledge, these kind of events helps us to enhance our knowledge, a theoretical knowledge. Culinary quiz is something which really gives us a lot of insight, what we should learn, what we should study, what should we aspire. Number two is skill. Skill is something where we do a lot of culinary challenge across South India, among all the 5 states, and then the finals will be happening bi-yearly at Chennai. So in the month of November, we have 3-day culinary challenge, which is going to be the India's largest culinary challenge, endorsed by World Chefs and IFCA. And very importantly, we have juries who are coming from abroad, from World Chefs, going to judge this competition. Not only the culinary, we do have a culinary challenge. We do have the competition for housekeeping as well as the F&B service. So this is something where the entire industry participates. An overwhelming response. 2,000 plus participation was previous year, and this year we are expecting 3,000 plus. So it's going to be a mega event where TNTPO, ITPO and the Tourism of India as well as the ITTDC, Tamil Nadu Tourism, supports us with a lot of sponsors. So it's something which is very, very important, where you need to have knowledge and skill together for you to be successful. See, knowledge, skill. The kids are very smart now. Younger generation, they are very smart and very fast. They are very good there. I'm able to see a lot of freshers who are joining my organization. Only thing which they lack is patience. They need to have patience for them to stabilize in a place and then to switch over to another place. So for small issues, they should not react. If you fix your aim and goal properly, you will not get disturbed for any small incidents in your workplace. Right? Patience is very much required for you to achieve something big in your life. What I have received from my mentor is where you should be number one in whichever place, wherever you are there. Let it be a tea shop on the road, let it be a cafe in a town street, or in a 5-star hotel, or in anywhere, wherever you are there, try to be number one wherever you are there. Don't try to be number 2 or number 3. So for that, you have to prepare yourself, work for it. Definitely hard work and smart work together, you will achieve your target. Number 2 is integrity is very, very important. Wherever you work or whatever you do, your concentration, your dedication is very much required. Integrity is something which is very much required, needed, and which will be appreciated along with the skill and knowledge. We are in touch with MGR University for a long time. In fact, they have sponsored a lot of events for South India Chef Association, SICA. I personally know everybody there, from the chairman to MD and the entire team. They have really mastered their teaching faculties and all those entire place. They have revamped the entire thing with the new campus setup, which is excellent, which is latest. In fact, they have the best kitchens in their university, where the students can learn the latest technology and a lot of knowledge from the senior most faculties who are visiting the college for teaching and all those things. And their sustainability is very good, and their students are doing very well in the industry.